In this video, we show how to replace the power module assembly on a PowerEdge XR4000z. Before removing the power module assembly, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000z service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the power module assembly, you must first remove the rear cover. To remove the rear cover, remove the 6 screws that secure the cover to the chassis. Then pull the cover to disengage it from the chassis. To remove the power module assembly, loosen the captive screw, securing it in place. Then pull the assembly from the chassis. To install the power module assembly, align and slide it into the chassis. Next, tighten the captive screw to secure it in the chassis. To install the rear cover, align and place the cover on the chassis. Then replace the 6 screws to secure the cover to the chassis. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.